Hey, Boose, do you want to go to school?
Sure, Bunckle, but school's gonna be a little bit different this year.
Yes, I know I have a different teacher, a new classroom. But I know you have the same teacher.
I know, but where school will actually be will be very different too.
Oh, I keep hearing this word. Vert, verti. Oh, virtual.
Yes, that means that it is still school, but it might be in your house.
Ooh, how is everyone going to fit in my living room? My mom just got a whole bunch of plants.
Well, in person means that you will see your friends and teachers at school in your classroom.
In real life?
Oh, learning's always in real life, but you will be able to look at them and be with them in person. They will be in your space. That is what in person learning is.
Okay then. But what does virtual mean then?
Virtual means that you will see all of your friends, the teacher, but they will all be in different places, as will you.
Oh, it's magic then.
No, it's not magic. It is computers. It is the internet. A bazillion computers working all around the world all at the same time. We call this a network, or like I said before, the internet.
Magic.
No, internet. Let's travel to your house. I'll show you what I mean. You'll see. Hey, Bungle, you weren't kidding. There are a ton of plants in this living room. I'm glad we're now at your house.
I told you, Boose. My mom has a green thumb.
A green thumb, a green hand, elbow, arm, leg. Wow.
Okay. Get back to your lesson then.
When your school says it will have a virtual class and uses Brightspace, an adult at home has to follow these directions. I'm going to put them up here in text.
Wait. You may want to tell all of the adults to pause the video so they can follow these steps.
Ah, for sure. This way, it'll be easy for little kids to follow along with their parents. But if they don't follow the directions, it's going to be a little bit difficult. So adults here are really needed.
I think I'm getting this idea. I have a bunch of questions about the virtual class, so here goes.
I will do my best to answer them.
So, okay. I go on my computer. So, this is still school with my friends and my teacher?
Yes, for sure. Except instead of taking place in person, it takes place on your computer, virtually.
Okay, so they are all in my living room, but not in person, but on my computer screen.
Now you're getting it.
So, I can just wear my PJs or goofy stuff and no one will see me, just like the people I watch on TV can't see me? I will slurp my cereal, cover my face in jello, and be totally covered in crumbs.
No. In this case, the people on the screen can see you and you can see them. It's not like TV, unless what you're watching is already been recorded. And remember that whatever you say is also being recorded, so you must act on your best behavior just like you do in class. That's called the code of conduct.
Oh, uh oh, oh.
You need to be prepared for virtual class, Bunckle. Be nicely dressed, have your books together, and make sure you have a pencil and other items that you might need that your teacher will tell you.
Okay. I'll have my books out and a pencil. Pencil crayons if they're asked for.
What else do you want to know?
Okay. I am a shy guy and don't want to be on camera.
Well, it's a better experience for you if you are on camera, but talk to your teacher and your parents, and you can still be in the class with just your voice.
Oh, this is so exciting. What else will I see in Brightspace?
Now, once you've logged on, things become really exciting. Your teacher will show you videos, slideshows, and even have you use a pen to write on a whiteboard, just like you would in in-person classes.
So, Brightspace virtual classrooms can take me anywhere?
Just watch.
Okay, Mom. I've really learned a lot here, and I think I can summarize what I have learned right now.
Whoa, Mrs. Bunckle, you really do have a lot of plants. And, yeah, a green thumb as well. I think your son learned a lot about Brightspace and virtual classes, and he's going to explain it right now.
Okay, this year we're going to have two types of learning, but the same school. One is going to be in person, and that's where we're in the classroom. And two is called virtual learning. That's going to be done over the computer with the teacher and all my friends. And we might have to go back and forth, but that's okay. Take a look at some of the places virtual learning can take us. We can go all over the world, to all the different continents, outer space, under the ocean, all kinds of places. Virtual learning sounds really great. And now, Mom and Boose, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in some very short steps. Pay attention, everyone. Hello, everybody. Although there should be an adult or older brother or sister here to help you, I'm going to take you through the steps on how to get to a virtual class. First, you need to open your computer to your internet browser. Here are some examples. Now that you're on the internet, and with your parents' permission, or whoever is watching you at home, who should be guiding you through this, you can now see that you're on your home page. It's probably Google or something like that. Now, you need to find the link to your Board of Education. And I'm hoping whoever is supervising you is still there. At your Board of Education page, you will need your username and your password. Sometimes that's an email address or a password that has been provided to you. Once you log on there, you need to find the link that says Launchpad or Learning Portal or even Brightspace itself. Click on that and we go to the next step. Hey, you made it into Brightspace. You need to scroll down and find your class. Click on your class. Now you'll be in. Once you're in, you'll see 4 colored pictures to the top of your screen. Those pictures have a name. They're called icons. Click on the one that says synchronous. That's a big word, but it looks like a computer monitor. Do that now. And now you're into Brightspace and you've clicked on the synchronous icon, that picture of the computer, and that picture has shown you 3 other pictures. Choose the one that looks like a teacher in front of the class in yellow and orange. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page called the meeting room. Click on the blue rectangle and wait until the meeting starts. Happy learning. Remember, be prepared, look great like if you were going to school, and get ready for some wonderful learning.